Want to know how to maximize your Disney Genie Plus at Animal Kingdom? In this video, I'll share tips and strategies for maximizing your Disney Genie Plus at Animal Kingdom and real-life examples of my Lightning Lane reservations experience at Animal Kingdom. I will also share which Lightning Lane ride sells out at Animal Kingdom so you'll know how to prioritize your Lightning Lane reservations. I want you to learn from my mistakes. This is part 4 of my 4-part Disney Genie Plus videos where I share my Disney Genie Plus tips for every park at Disney World. Here are 9 Disney Genie Plus tips and strategies for Animal Kingdom. Number 1. Popular Lightning Lane rides at Animal Kingdom sells out. You should be aware that popular Lightning Lane rides at Animal Kingdom can sell out. The Avatar rides are the most popular rides at Animal Kingdom. On both days I was at Animal Kingdom, Navi River Journey sold out. Individual Lightning Lane passes for Avatar Flight of Passage can also sell out. You need to book your Lightning Lane reservations early. Don't assume you have all day to book your Lightning Lane rides at Animal Kingdom because they can sell out. Number 2. Buy your Disney Genie Plus before 7 a.m. I can't stress this enough. Disney Genie Plus go on sale starting at midnight on the day of your visit. If you don't want to stay up past midnight, you can set an alarm and buy your Disney Genie Plus at 6:30 a.m. That way, you're ready to go with your Disney Genie Plus and can start making reservations at 7 a.m. Number 3. Book your first Animal Kingdom Lightning Lane at 7 a.m. In order to maximize your Disney Genie Plus, you need to start making Lightning Lane reservations at 7 a.m. Set your alarm, get up early and make your first Lightning Lane reservation promptly at 7 a.m. Number 4. Book the Lightning Lane for the most popular ride at Animal Kingdom first. The Avatar rides are the most popular rides at Animal Kingdom. Navi River Journey is the most popular Lightning Lane ride. Book Navi River Journey as your first Lightning Lane reservation in case it sells out. Number 5. Buy Avatar Flight of Passage individual Lightning Lane early. The line for Avatar Flight of Passage is typically 90 minutes or longer. I think it's worth paying $11 per person to buy the individual Lightning Lane for Avatar Flight of Passage, since it will save you an hour and a half of standing in line. Buy the Avatar Flight of Passage individual Lightning Lane early. It usually sells out by midday. You need to buy it as soon as you're eligible to buy individual Lightning Lane passes. If you're staying at Disney World Resort, you can buy individual Lightning Lanes starting at 7 a.m. And if you're not staying at Disney World Resort, you can buy them when Animal Kingdom opens. I suggest buying it as soon as you're eligible, or else you'll be stuck having to stand in line for 1.5 hours, or worse, not riding it at all. Number 6. Book your second Lightning Lane ride 2 hours after your previous reservation. You're eligible to book your next Lightning Lane reservation once 2 hours have elapsed since your last Lightning Lane reservation. However, the 2 hours start when Animal Kingdom opens. Assuming you book your first reservation at 7 a.m. and that Animal Kingdom opens at 8 a.m., that means you're eligible to book your next Lightning Lane reservations 2 hours after opening, which is 10 a.m. Set an alarm as a reminder. Book Dinosaur or Kali River Rapids as your second Lightning Lane reservation. Number 7. Book your third Lightning Lane as soon as you're eligible. Book your third Lightning Lane ride at noon, which is 2 hours after 10 a.m. Book Expedition Everest as your third Lightning Lane reservation. If Dinosaur or Kali River Rapids is still available, you should book these rides first because they're typically more popular than Expedition Everest. Number 8. I'm not 100% convinced that Disney Genie Plus at Animal Kingdom is worth it. I know, I just gave you a lot of Lightning Lane tips at Animal Kingdom. But I want to say that after using Disney Genie Plus at Animal Kingdom for 2 days, I'm not 100% convinced that Disney Genie Plus is worth it at Animal Kingdom. There are 2 reasons why I don't think Disney Genie Plus is worth it at Animal Kingdom. The first is there aren't that many rides at Animal Kingdom. There are only 5 Lightning Lane rides at Animal Kingdom. And I didn't count the shows since you don't need Disney Genie Plus to get in. The second reason why I don't think it's worth it to get Disney Genie Plus at Animal Kingdom is they didn't even include Avatar Flight of Passage in the list of Lightning Lane rides. I suggest you buy the individual Lightning Lane for Avatar Flight of Passage and just skip the Disney Genie Plus at Animal Kingdom. But of course, if you have kids like mine who got spoiled from not having to line up, you should still get Disney Genie Plus at Animal Kingdom. It will still save you from having to stand in line. Take a look at my in-depth analysis of whether or not Lightning Lane is worth it at Animal Kingdom. Check out my video, Is Lightning Lane Worth It at Disney World? Number 9. Order of Lightning Lane at Animal Kingdom. To help you prioritize your Lightning Lane reservations, here's the order of rides at Animal Kingdom with regards to popularity. Definitely book the most popular rides first because they do sell out at Animal Kingdom. The most popular Lightning Lane ride at Animal Kingdom is Avatar Flight of Passage. It's an individual Lightning Lane ride though, so you need to buy the individual Lightning Lane for Avatar Flight of Passage as soon as you're eligible. In terms of booking Lightning Lane rides using Disney Genie Plus, book Navi River Journey first. Navi River Journey is the most popular Lightning Lane ride at Animal Kingdom. Next, book either Dinosaur or Cali River Rapids. After that, book Expedition Everest. Finally, book Kilimanjaro Safari. Real-life example of how I use Disney Genie Plus at Animal Kingdom. Here's a real-life example of how I booked Lightning Lane rides when I was at Animal Kingdom for 2 days. I was able to book 4 Disney Genie Plus Lightning Lane rides on the first day and 3 Disney Genie Plus Lightning Lane rides on the second day. On both days, I noticed that Navi River Journey and Avatar Flight of Passage sold out. Cali River Rapids also sold out one day. I also realized that you don't need to book Kilimanjaro Safari early because by the end of the day, you can get on the ride with a minimal wait time of around 15 minutes. On our first day at Animal Kingdom, I slept in and booked Kilimanjaro Safari at around 9 a.m., followed by Dinosaur, then Expedition Everest, finally Lion King, which I felt I didn't need to book since it's a show and pretty much everyone in line got in to watch the show. I made the mistake the first day and I should have booked Navi River Journey first because it sold out by the time I wanted to book it. I also realized I didn't need to prioritize booking Kilimanjaro Safari since the line becomes really short at the end of the day. On our second day at Animal Kingdom, at 8 a.m. I booked Navi River Journey and got a 12:15 p.m. ride time. Then at 10 a.m. I booked Dinosaur and got a 2:30 p.m. ride time. But the Dinosaur ride was closed when we got there at 2:30, so they gave us a multiple experience pass. I used the multiple experience pass to book Dinosaur again. We were able to ride Dinosaur twice that day using Lightning Lane. If you're still on the fence about whether or not Disney Genie Plus is worth it at Animal Kingdom, check out my video on whether or not Disney Genie Plus is worth it at Disney World. I will walk you through my park-by-park experience to see if Disney Genie Plus is worth it. Don't forget to check out my other Lightning Lane tips in this 4-part series. Please like and subscribe for more Disney World videos and tips. Thanks for watching!